Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
On 9th October, Tanishq released a new 45-second advertisement promoting its new jewelry line, Ekatvam, which broke the internet and created a huge storm. The print has now learned that the jewelry brand has pulled down the advertisement due to the vicious trolling it was subjected to and is expected to release a statement on the same soon as well. We give you a blow-by-blow of how the controversy erupted. The ad by Tanishq showed a Muslim family preparing a traditional South Indian baby shower for their pregnant Hindu daughter-in-law. This did not sit well with many people, as people took to Twitter to call for a boycott of the brand, with hashtag #BoycottTanishq being one of the top trends on Monday. People accused the jewelry brand of fake secularism and said that it promoted love jihad, a term coined by Hindu extremist groups referring to an alleged campaign by Muslims to convert Hindu women to Islam in the guise of love. The YouTube description of the now pulled down ad noted that she is married into a family that loves her like their own child. Only for her, they go out of their way to celebrate an occasion that they usually don't. A beautiful confluence of two different religions, traditions, and cultures. Many weighed in on this controversy, with Hindi film actor Kangana Ranaut saying that not only did the advertisement promote love jihad, but it was sexist as well. While Congress Member of Parliament Shashi Tharoor said, if Hindu-Muslim Ekatvam irks them so much, why don't they boycott the longest surviving symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity in the world, which is India? The video's comments were disabled on YouTube Monday, and it had more dislikes than likes, with more than 2,000 people disliking the video and only 500 people liking the advertisement. The company made the YouTube link to the video private on Monday evening, making it unavailable for people to view. By Tuesday morning, the advertisement was no longer visible on its YouTube page. People, however, believed that this action was not required and was unwarranted. This included former Chief Operating Officer of Viacom and now Managing Director of House of Cheer Networks, Raj Nayak, who said, "This is really sad. How can a brand as strong as Tanishq from the House of Tatas chicken out based on trolls?" While image and communications consultant Dilip Cherian said that the move by the jewelry brand was not warranted and that Tanishq should realize that trolls don't actually equal customers. This, however, is not the first time a brand has courted controversy over one of their ads. In early 2019, Surf Excel also received backlash after it sought to promote its brand showing Hindu-Muslim harmony in one of its ads. Those criticizing the advertisement called it Hindu-phobic and said that it promoted love jihad. This raises a larger question on if brands should take down their advertisements if trolled or threatened a boycott. Let us know your answer in the comment section below. For The Print, this is Revati Krishnan. For more, log on to theprint.in and follow us on our social media handles.